welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Nadula once more, and you know this has been their little signature packaging since recently. This little shopping bag vibe, a little tote bag. I travel with this sometimes, guys. I put all my hair products in here and put it in my suitcase whenever I travel. It's really convenient. And then this is the box, you know, branded as usual. So let's get into it. All right, so firstly I'm seeing the wig, which we're gonna get into, and then for everything that came in today's package for goodies, let me show you. Got a branded drawstring bag. I got a robe, which is branded. Always love getting these. I got a goodie bag inside of the goodie box. A patterned elastic band, pair of wig caps, and a brush. Okay, I also got another elastic band branded Nadula, and I got another pair of HD wig caps. All right, so there you have that. And that's everything in today's box. So what I have here is another one of Nadula Hair's 7x5 lace closure bye-bye knots. Bye-bye knots, pre-bleached, bye-bye pre-bleached, pre-plucked knots. So yeah, ultimately they call it the 7x5 bye-bye knots wig. And you guys know I've showed you guys this before because I've worked with 7x5 lace closure wigs from them before, and they've been good. So this is basically, you know, one of those upgraded ones. Everything looks really nice. You don't have to worry about going into further customizes because it comes customized. And the aim with this wig is to make the knots look more realistic. You know, in other wigs sometimes they look, you could see the knots, like you could definitely tell that okay, it's lace there. But with this, their aim is to make it look more scalp like, and definitely, you know, not as easy to see the knots. So hence the name bye bye knots. In the front, the hairline is definitely you know, pre-plucked. Looks good, and it is a yaki texture. This is also 14 inches long, so it is a long bob. So yeah, it looks nice and strong. It feels good. It's very flowy. It is a straight texture, as you can see. Let me show you the rest of the cap construction. So it does have a total of only one comb inside. There's a comb in the back, and I feel like this is very useful because you could use this to secure the back of your wig. Sometimes I don't like it when the back of the wigs don't necessarily have combs or elastic bands, because then it will like not be as secure, and you never know, you might just need to flip your head. You don't want the wig to go swinging from the nape of your neck. So I mean, this really ensures security around there. And then they added the non-slip silicone strip on the rim of the cap, so that's really useful as well. And then they added this adjustable elastic band, which is what really helps with the security of this wig, and also, you know, you being able to go ahead and wear the wig glueless. This is a big part of wearing the wig glueless. No product, no adhesive needed to rock this wig because it looks so realistic, and it's very beginner friendly because, you know, it's easy to apply. So and this is a medium cap that we're working with. So that's how that looks. It's a 1B natural color. Now that I show you guys how the wig looks, I'm gonna go ahead and slip this on for you guys. So that is super snugged. And with 7x5 lace closures, you know that you definitely get more space, as I just showed you with the lace portion, as opposed to smaller lace closure wigs. So there's that. So if you're a girly who really can't deal with the hassle of applying a full-on lace front, but you still want a lot of space, lace space to work with, this might be a great option for you because it has such a large space, but you don't have to feel pressured into necessarily using adhesive to get your wig laying, you know. So yeah, that's how it looks. It does have a bit of a cast in the front, But I'm gonna go ahead and melt that down and make it look more realistic in a few. This is how that looks. So alright, since the wig is on, I'm just gonna go ahead and work on the cast in the front to just, you know, mute the way that looks, to just mute that down. So that's what I'm gonna do. Usually whenever, even though it's pre-cut, sometimes I'll go in and look further to see if like the very tip of the lace like doesn't have any hair, and if there's a case where there's no hair at the very tip of the lace, I'll cut away like that portion, you know, just so I get as close as possible to where the hair is. But be careful when doing this, you don't want to cut the hair. And already that helps with a little bit of the castiness, because sometimes that extra lace that doesn't have any hair strand on it can really come off casty. So we can just erase the castiness. Let's just take my time, tap this in, and usually after I do this, I'll just get a elastic band to press down the hairline, so it kind of presses in that product, that powder, you know, so it doesn't look like it's just sitting on top of the lace, if you get what I mean. So I'm just pressing it in. I just need, so there you have that. So what I need to do now, I'm just gonna straighten this part in because it is lean, and I'm gonna get my wax stick and my hot comb to lay this flat.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
This is it. You see that movement? Oh my god, guys, you cannot tell me nothing. Like, look at that, look at that, look at that. No adhesive, completely beginner friendly. The flow of the wig, the cut, everything looks so good. The texture is giving, you know, fresh silk press. Yeah, it looks really good. Let me know what you guys think. And as I showed you, you have a lot of parting space to work with. Nadula, I feel like I have to give it to them. They're really working super hard to improve their quality, and I really do appreciate that. I feel like every time I get a new wig from them, it is something better than before. So I definitely have to give it to them, okay? But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Hope you found this informative. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead and check it out. All the specifications will be listed as well. And that's it. You know, it's holidays, so happy holidays to everyone. You know, if you're going gift shopping and you're not sure what to get your cousin, to get your sister, your girlfriend, your wife, you know, and you know they're into wigs, or they want to tap into wigs and they know nothing about it, you know, but they want to try it out, this is perfect for beginners. You understand? So you could go ahead and buy this as a gift for someone this holiday, this season. So yeah, that's it, that's all. And you could go ahead and buy it for yourself too. Heck. But yeah, that's it. That's all for today's wig look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this one. This is so gorgeous. But yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself.